In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the text font on Yahoo Mail. By the end, your emails will automatically use the font style and size you prefer, so you don't have to adjust them every time you compose a message. First, sign into your Yahoo Mail account in a web browser. This walkthrough focuses on the desktop web version because that's where the full set of compose settings lives. Once you're in your inbox, look to the top right corner of the screen for the gear icon, which opens settings. Click that gear to open the Quick Settings panel. From the panel that appears, select More Settings. This opens a new settings page, often in a separate tab, with a full sidebar of options. In the left-hand sidebar, click Writing Email. Depending on your version, it might also be labeled Compose. This section controls how your messages look as you create them. Scroll down until you see Default Rich Text Font. This is the area where you'll set the baseline style for every new email. Start by choosing your preferred font style from the drop-down. If you want a crisp, modern look that's easy to read on screens, a sans serif font is a solid choice. If you prefer something more traditional, a serif option can add a touch of formality. Pick the style that matches your tone and the audience you typically write to. Next, set your default font size. Options usually range from tiny to huge. For most people, medium or large strikes a good balance between readability and space. If you regularly communicate with readers who appreciate larger text for accessibility, consider large or extra large. Tiny and small are best reserved for compact layouts but can be harder to read. You can optionally customize font color and basic formatting like bold, italics, or underline. Use these sparingly for everyday messages to keep your emails clean and professional. Neutral colors maximize readability and ensure your text displays well across devices. When you're satisfied with your choices, save your changes. Some versions show a save button. If you don't see one, the settings usually save automatically when you make a selection. Close the Settings tab and return to your inbox. To confirm everything worked, click Compose to start a new message. The text area should now reflect your updated font style and size. These defaults apply to new emails you create going forward. They don't change existing messages already in your inbox. That's it. You've set your Yahoo Mail to use your preferred font automatically, saving time and keeping your emails consistent and easy to read.